there any questions?
Abarikuza kushomesa omworeko gwa Vision Group gwa Harvest Money Expo hamwe n'aba barikuza kworeka ebyobuhingi hamwe n'ebyoburiisa byabo eby'omutaano bayerundanira aha kitebe kikuru kya Vision Group okuhana amagyezo oku bakubaasa kushoronzya emirimo yoona omuri Harvest Money Expo okwenda ngu abarabe bizire kwega baganyirwe mu kihango.
Era nituneve baleetedde ebintu bingi ebyokwolesa ebigenda okuyamba omulimi n'omulunzi okufuna amagoba mu kulima ng'ebintu ebikebera obulwadde nga coccidiosis ng'ogyeko okugaba obugabi obujjanjabi mu ndiisa abala tuleese ne tekinologiya akebera obungi bw'obulwadde obuleeta coccidiosis mu binyonyi ne tuba nga tukuwa obujjanjabi obutuufu.
Omwoleso guno gutuusa embeera zonna ez'omulimi kubanga ebintu byonna ebiyitibwa ebikwataganye n'okulima n'okulunda kandi abolesa bona bokuza kuba bari muno bolesa n'abantu baresire ebintu ebikutukwata kandi ebikutukyusa mu mbeera.
Abantu bija kushomesa emishomero kuhika 27 kandi barebe n'omuringo gubine kushomesamu kandi abahingi n'abariisa nabo barikwenda kuzombya obuhingi n'okuriisa baashabwa obutafeerwa mworeko ogu aha kishayi kororo.
Ekirala kye mugenda okulaba tubaleetedde products empya nga Formycin protected kyekyo ekiriisibwa ebisolo okulwanyisa obulwadde bw'omubyenda obutafekitinga bisolo bino.
Editor in chief w'ekitongole kya Vision Group Barbara Kaija yashoborera omugasho gw'omworeko ogu aha bahingi n'abariisa.
Because things have changed. So how do we teach these people to add value to their products? What can they do? What options do they have? So as you're preparing your training material, think of how you're going to support the farmers to get to the next level, the options you can refer them to.
Ogona yashaba abashomesa okwetebeekanisa kurungi bakaheereza abantu obwegyesa oburkwetengwa hamwe n'okworeka abahingi ahari akatare k'ebintu ebi barikubaragiira okuhinga hamwe n'okuriisa.
So one of the things about teaching is preparation. Never assume that I have done this very many times, I will just go and do it. Because the audience changes, the times change. One of the things we have received from the public, wetwatandikiranga tubakunga kujja mulime. We are like, farming is the thing to go. Now they are telling us we have gone into farming. Where are the markets?
I just wanted to give you reassurance that as is characteristic with us, you can be sure we are going to give you a very well organized event. We have done our part and we continue to do our part in marketing and letting the audiences and the public know what is going to happen.
Omworeko ogu gurikuza kutandika 23 kusiya 25 by'okwezi okwa kabiri aha kishayi kororo muri Kampala okutaahamu n'omutwaro gumwe gwonka kandi okushoma nakwe n'omutwaro gumwe gwonka.